Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to enable auto scroll on TikTok. Okay, first things first, you wanna update the app. Open it, and then now when you are on the For You page, you wanna press and hold on this screen. You'll get various options, and from these options, you'll see the new option called auto scroll. Just tap on that option and it will look like this. After you do this, you'll see a message that says, the next post will be shown automatically. Now, once a video finishes, it will move on to the next post automatically. Like you can see here. And there you go. It's moved on to the next post. So, please note that this feature only works on regular TikTok videos. It won't work on live videos that you might see on your TikTok For You page. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now enable auto scroll on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.